Do you want to get 1 year of ChatGPT for free? Then this video is for you. So first of all, to get the 1 year of ChatGPT, you click on the link in the description box to direct you to this website. Once at this website, you click on create new mail. Then you are going to select this elzi.me. Now you can put in your username. For instance, just going to create a temporary email. So you put in the username and words. Okay? So you create Alright, so to show you this, you don't need this. So this is, you just copy it. And I'm going to put it like this. You can also be like what I'm doing is not needed. Now you go back and open ChatGPT. Then you're going to click on sign up. Now you put in the email address you copied. Yeah, you didn't get it somewhere, but anyway, it's okay. Now you put in the password. So I'll just suggest a password. Once I put in the password, you click on continue. Then they'll send you a code. Just read here and click on refresh. Okay, you see the code. So your ChatGPT code, you just copy the code and you paste it here. Then you are going to put in your full name, your birthday, and click on continue. Once you are done, it's just ask you for this thing, just click on skip. Then as you can see, this, yeah, just click on continue. Then let me also send the rule. Okay, so yeah, this is what it can show you. You know, model 5.2 is only available for paid users, right? Then yes, now you can generate. So thank you guys for watching the video. If I see more videos like this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when I put new content like this. We have our WhatsApp group in the description. Join us for instant updates. I'll see you guys.